River otters are frequently mistaken for sea otters. River otters live primarily in freshwater, though they do swim and hunt in seawater. They have visible ears, swim belly down, use webbed feet to paddle, and move swiftly on land and water. Sea otters live exclusively in the ocean along coastlines. They move clumsily on land, paddle with their hind feet and tail, and are significantly bigger than most river otters, with some males weighing as much as 100 pounds. A male river otter, by comparison, would not exceed 30 pounds. Sea otters, particularly mothers and pups, sometimes hold hands while floating on their backs. Hand holding keeps the otters from drifting away from each other and their food source while they sleep. They also sleep wrapped in long strands of kelp like a blanket. The kelp acts like an anchor and prevents them from floating out to the open ocean. When a pup is small, the mother will hold it on her belly to keep it from floating away. Of the 13 species of otter, IUCN lists 5 as endangered, 5 as near threatened, and 2 as vulnerable. Only the North American river otter is a species of least concern. Numerous threats to otters exist and primarily include pollution, habitat destruction, overfishing, and poaching. They can also be harmed by entanglement with ghost nets and other rogue fishing gear. Oceana reports, it is thought that oil spills pose the greatest threat due to the proximity of sea otters to major tanker routes and their susceptibility to hypothermia if their fur comes into contact with oil. A cat parasite called toxoplasmosis also poses a threat to these creatures. Found in cat feces, it enters waterways through runoff and flushable cat litter. Baby otters usually are called pups. They can also be called kits or kittens. Female otters are sows, and males are boars. Otter groups are called a family, bevy, lodge, or a romp. The latter is the most common term for a group of otters on land. A group of otters in the water is most often called a raft. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.